This video will cover the removal, cleaning, and installation of an air idle control in a 1990 Volvo 240 B230F. This can be completed during a coffee break. To start, loosen the clamp securing the hoses on the front and bottom of the air idle control so that the hoses can be removed. Next, disconnect the electrical lead in the rear of the air idle control. The wire terminal has a metal lever facing the engine, which will need to be depressed for removal. To gain easier access to the rear of the air idle control, you may have to disconnect the air intake hose connecting to the air intake manifold, which is secured with a single hose clamp. Slide the air idle control out of its bushing towards the front of the engine. Once removed, spray the interior of the idle control with brake cleaner or similar until there is no more soot remaining. Use an electrical cleaner for the wire contacts on the back. Once adequately cleaned, slide the idle control back into its bushing. Reconnect the rear electrical leads, reconnect the front and bottom hoses and secure the clamps. Reconnect the air intake hoses and clamps. And you're all set. Enjoy your Volvo 240.